Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dorm decorations are probably one of the most exciting ways to transform a sterile, cookie-cutter living space into a personalized sanctuary that reflects your unique style and personality, making your college years not only more comfortable but also infinitely more inspiring and enjoyable as you settle into your new home away from home. Number 5. SAOROPEB 3D Butterfly Wall Decor. Transform your space with these stunning 3D butterfly decorations. They come in a variety of styles and sizes to perfectly match your aesthetic. These decorations are crafted from metallic paper, allowing you to fold them into a beautiful 3D effect. They add instant vitality and elegance to any room. With 4 distinct styles and 3 different sizes, you can create a truly unique and dynamic display. Mix and match them to achieve a fresh, elegant look. Our decorations feature strong, high-quality adhesive that ensures they stay put. Best of all, they are removable without leaving any marks or damaging your walls. These are ideal for parties, birthdays, and various celebrations. Use them as wall decor, photography backdrops, dessert table accents, or even fridge magnets. They are incredibly cute for children's bedrooms and perfect for decorating parties and weddings. Add a touch of magic to any occasion. What we like. These decorations add a vibrant, 3-dimensional effect to your walls. With 4 distinct styles and 3 different sizes, you can create a dynamic and personalized display. If you're looking to add a touch of sparkle and elegance to a party, nursery, or any celebration, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The detail and color on these is great and well worth the price, especially with how many come in the packages. They're really pretty and catch the light really well. The color is super cute too. They come in a variety of different sizes, which makes it easy to create a nice arrangement on the wall or ceiling. The adhesive that comes with them holds well but doesn't remove paint when taken off. The 3D effect looks really nice and adds a lot of character to the space. Number 4. GPARK 84 feet 12-pack Artificial Ivy Garland. Transform your space with this set of 12 artificial ivy garlands. Each one is generously sized, offering ample length to bring lush greenery wherever you desire. Crafted with silk leaves and durable plastic stems, these garlands boast a high-quality feel. You'll appreciate the lifelike appearance, with 2 distinct leaf sizes adding to the natural look. Perfect for a variety of settings, these artificial vines are ideal for weddings, parties, gardens, and even everyday home or office decor. Their versatility makes decorating a breeze. Adding a touch of nature has never been simpler. These garlands are designed for easy setup and removal, fitting seamlessly into your decorating plans. While initial packaging might cause a slight scent, a brief airing out is all that's needed. Soon, you'll enjoy beautiful, fresh-looking decor without any lingering odors. What we like. This set provides a generous length of artificial greenery to liven up any space. The realistic silk leaves and sturdy plastic stems ensure a lifelike appearance and longevity. If you want to bring a touch of nature indoors without the maintenance, or need to add a lush backdrop for an event, these are perfect for you. What people say. The string lights are very bright and have multiple modes, which is great for setting different moods. The tapestry is a good size and the colors are vibrant, really making the room pop. The adhesive hooks included are strong and held up all the decorations without any issues. Number 3. decorUhome Summer Cozy Faux Fur Throw Pillow Covers. Introducing our incredibly soft pillow covers, designed to bring a touch of luxury to your home. They are crafted with cozy faux rabbit fur on the front and smooth velvet on the back for a delightful tactile experience. Effortlessly update your decor with our thoughtfully designed pillow covers. They feature a hidden zipper that ensures a seamless look and makes inserting or replacing pillow inserts a breeze. This set includes 2 beautiful cream white pillow covers, each measuring 18 by 18 inches. Please note that pillow inserts are not included with your purchase. Elevate the ambience of any space with these plush throw pillow covers. They are the ideal decorative accent for your living room, bedroom, sofa, or even your office. Maintaining their pristine look is simple. These pillow covers are machine washable on a gentle cycle and can be tumble dried on low heat for lasting comfort and style. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with these incredibly soft and plush pillow covers. The hidden zipper ensures a clean, seamless look, making insertion and removal a breeze. If you desire to add a cozy, luxurious, and modern farmhouse or boho vibe to your sofa or bed, these are an excellent way to upgrade your comfort and style. What people say. The quality is great, super soft, and the gray is the perfect shade, not too dark or light. They fit 16 by 16 inserts perfectly and add a cozy, stylish touch to my couch. They're incredibly soft and give such a cozy, luxurious feel to my living room and bedroom. The plush texture instantly added warmth and style to my couch. Guests always comment on how comfortable and chic they look. Super fluffy and soft and stay that way after you wash and dry them on gentle and low heat. Number 2. Boho Aesthetic Pictures Wall Collage Kit. Transform your space with this beautiful boho aesthetic wall collage kit. It's a perfect way to add a touch of personality and style to any room. You'll receive 50 stunning prints, each with a unique design. They come in a protective box, ready to be displayed. Printed on durable cardstock, these aesthetic pictures are designed to last. They'll add vibrant color and a classic touch to your walls for years. Immerse yourself in gorgeous shades of brown, peach, beige, and teal. This bohemian theme is perfect for creating a stylish and personalized space. Get creative with how you decorate. You can hang them, frame them, or arrange them directly on your wall. The possibilities are endless. Looking for a unique gift? This collage kit comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? This kit offers a curated collection of 50 beautiful prints to create a personalized wall display. The boho-inspired color scheme provides a warm and inviting aesthetic. If you're a teen or young woman looking to easily transform your dorm room or bedroom with a trendy, cohesive look, this is a wonderful and thoughtful gift option. What people say. The set includes 50 high-quality 4 by 6 inch prints featuring a vibrant mix of neon signs, hearts, lightning bolts, and retro motifs, perfect for adding a bold, edgy vibe to my room. They are printed on very thick, good quality paper. They are not glossy but matte, which I personally love but some might not. So many pictures to choose from. They are all printed on thick cardstock like paper. Was happy about that. I feel like this will hold up much longer than other brands. Number 1. Danish Pastel Aesthetic Room Decor Prints. Elevate your room style with our 50-piece Danish pastel wall decor set. These vibrant prints are designed to create a trendy, aesthetic atmosphere. Each picture is professionally printed on thick, glossy cardstock, ensuring they look stunning and last for years. They're sturdy and ready to bring your walls to life. Easily create a beautiful wall collage that covers approximately 3.40 foot x 3.45 feet. You can stick them directly to the wall, hang them, or even frame them for a personalized touch. Infuse your bedroom with preppy charm using these abstract, pastel, and Matisse-inspired designs. They're perfect for reflecting your unique aesthetic. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This aesthetic wall collage kit is ideal for teens, girls, and women who love to personalize their space. It comes ready to gift, complete with double-sided tape and special extras. Setting up your new decor is a breeze. We include double-sided tape, making it simple to arrange and rearrange your pictures to create the perfect look for your dorm or bedroom. What we like? Brighten up your space with these vibrant Danish pastel prints, designed to create a cheerful and trendy atmosphere. The included double-sided tape makes decorating effortless, allowing for quick and easy arrangement. If you're aiming for a cute, preppy, or modern aesthetic in your dorm or bedroom, this kit is ideal for adding a pop of color and personality. What people say. The string lights are very bright and create a cozy atmosphere. The fairy lights are easy to install and can be shaped in many ways. The battery pack is small and discreet, making it easy to hide. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.